Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to install a gated shifter retrofit to your Abarth. Basically, to take out this leather unit, you need to keep in mind there are two clips over here and one over here. This just pops out very easily. Just be careful so you don't actually break the clips. But yeah, there it goes. Just pops out really easy. So now it's loose. We're gonna leave it over there for a while. The actual knob, I'm in the Competizione version. The Turismo in the Competizione just unscrews out of here. I think the standard 595 and the 500, you actually need to take a cap off and then unscrew it from there. But anyway, you're left with the same thing. It all works the same in essence. So yeah, first time I've struggled with mine a bit. It was really tight, so I had to apply some force. But then it just basically just unscrews very easily, and then you take it out, and now this just comes out very easily. So all you're left with is the actual shaft. Again, it's the same thing you're left with on all models. This works on all the Abarth 500s and 595s. So we're gonna take the actual unit that we're gonna install. It's really easy. Basically, install is a overly complicated word for it. You have the clips already in place. This circle matches very well this shape here, so you just basically put it in, and there it is. Apply some pressure to make sure that it's actually mounted on well, and yeah, there it is. Very solid. As you can see, it doesn't move. Just yeah, once you pushed it in, it'll just stay in place. Now with regards to the gear knob, you can also order one. I'll post a link to that as well. I've done this myself. It'll be a higher quality because both the actual gated shifter retrofit and the knob I'll have professionally made, as this was already, and drop shipped over to you. But yeah, basically this is really simple. If you want to order this as well, you just put it in place and you push it down, and there you have it. You'll be able to choose from a range of colors. Personally, I think that the black one is perfect because it just blends in with the rest of the dash. But yeah, you'll have a couple of colors that you can choose from to your liking. That's everything really. There you have your little Ferrari. It's perfectly matching all the gears. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'll post a link to both this unit and the actual gear knob. Yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.